Hello.
Hi.
So, tell us something about you. You're Bulgarian or you're not Bulgarian?
I'm not Bulgarian.
But you speak Bulgarian.
I'm trying to learn
Because
because it's interesting.
you met someone from Bulgaria, you said, and
I do some work for a customer in Bulgaria, and I've always thought the culture was interesting. The people are really nice. The food's really good, and so I just want to learn.
you even went there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, what is it that you like the most of the food?
Lutenica.
Lutenica rocks, right?
Yes.
Tell us something in Bulgarian.
Аз съм от Springfield.
И се казвам
Хана.
Хана.
Аз говоря много малко български.
Страхотно. Беше ми много приятно. Заповядайте един календар, български календар, да си имате в Спрингфилд.
Благодаря.
До следващия път. Чао!
Чао.